Due to YouTube and the COPPA laws, if you are under the age of 18 and are watching this video, please stop now. This content was not intended for you. Hey everybody, it's TMIKA and I am here to share with you guys some exciting news. One of our fellow crafters has decided to take the leap into the die pool, like physical metal stencil dies pool. That's what I mean. So Sandra Buse, you guys, I will have her channel linked down below in the description box. She decided to start her shop and it is called Pixie Dust Designs. And you can find her online on Instagram, on YouTube, Facebook, and Pinterest. I will have all those links down below. So Sandra reached out to me and was like, hey girl, I'm trying to do this thing. I'm like, girl, congratulations. Cheer, cheer. So she sent me some things to play with. There's some dies and some stamps. So I want to share those with you guys. I do have a coupon code for you all. It's only 3 days. It's July 15th, 16th, and 17th. That coupon code will be listed down below along with the links to her shop, along with the links to these items so you guys can check it out. And let's go ahead and get this package open so you guys can see what I'm starting with. And then you guys will see some projects over the course of this month on my YouTube and on my Instagram. Some will just be project share, some will be process. And so look forward to that. But today, right now, I am just sharing with you an unboxing. And I hope you guys like what you see. So congratulations to Sandra. Let's get into it. All right, so again, the name of Sandra's shop is Pixie Dust Designs, and she has these items wrapped in here. So cute. She likes purple. I can see that. So we're going to start out with the stamps, guys. So, oh, how cute. Her emblem, her logo is so cute. Isn't she adorable? Pixie Dust Designs bringing, let's see, bringing something to life. Let's see. Pixie Dust Designs is a family company with a passion for paper crafts. Our products feature original designs from clear polymer stamps and cutting dies. We want to inspire and encourage you to keep creating. So let's see what this is because I just want to know. This is called Winter Penguin. This was in July. Perfect timing. And it's bringing magic to your life. Okay, I love it. And this is what the stamp set looks like. You have a penguin. You have your penguin on your igloo. A little Santa sack. A little polar bear. To the coolest friend ever. Oh, that is so cute. Have a cool day. Winter wishes. You are my best gift. Happy holiday. A gift from me to you. We have the little penguin fishing in a fishing hole and carrying some gifts. And then one pulling a little sleigh. How cute is that? Adorable. Woo, she entrusted me with coloring. Oh, no, Sandra. This one is called Christmas Gnomes. I love me some gnomes. Let's see here. Oh, she is too cute. Bring this back up. She is so cute. Season's greetings, gnomies. 'Tis the season. Have a holly jolly Christmas. And then Merry Christmas from my gnome to yours. And then we have a gnome home. We have a gnome drinking cocoa, a Christmas tree, a little candle, some bells, a little lantern. Happy holidays. Noel. Noel. Cute. Cute. Oh my gosh, this is adorable. So, so cute. So those are the stamp sets that she's included. Again, this is called Christmas Gnomes. And you get all of those stamps. Let's seal that back. And then this one is called Winter Penguin. With all these cute little penguin buddies on here. So cute. I like the cartoon character that it brings. So really cute. So let me show you her dies. And I am so excited to share these with you guys because I saw the sneak peeks. I was like, I can't wait. This is called Snowman Mug and her dies are purple. So you get all of the pieces to make your mug, your hot chocolate cocoa, or whatever, your coffee. You even get this cute little star spoon, the candy cane base, and offset the stripes part. You get some whip, a little hat. This is the topper of the cream, whatever liquid's in there. You get the nose, the eyes, some leaves, and these little holly. Cute. And this is what it looks like when you put it all together. How cute is that? Adorable. And then she has the Santa mug. You have the beard, some of the same things. There's different whip here, a mustache, a little gingerbread. Look how this cup rolls over. I like that. That has a normal mug cup. This has like the little Santa-y cup. And let's see, there's some other little things that go for his eyes and stuff like that. This is how it looks. There was a cinnamon stick, cute little coffee mug or cocoa mug, whichever one tickles your fancy. So that's adorable. And then she sent, this one is, that was Santa mug. This one is penguin mug. Cute. A different whip. Again, I think these are interchangeable. You have a cute little scarf. You have marshmallows. And look at I bet you these are like the penguin hands. Have a different handle there. And the cute little scarf. These are so adorable. And this is the back. So you get the candy stick. And there are the marshmallows, the cream. That's the scarf. Little blush on his little face. How cute. Cute. And then we have, this one is my favorite. It's the reindeer mug. I was looking all over for the reindeer mug that was at Target. These were at Target. The real cute handled rainbow. When I flip this over, you're going to know what I'm talking about. But I was searching and searching and searching and searching. I could not find it. It was at Target. It was at Hobby Lobby. One of those two. I think it might have been Hobby Lobby. But anyway, nonetheless, I couldn't find it. There's a different whip for this one too. Yep. Different kind of whip. And then, yeah, let me flip this over so you can see, because it's so taking out. Does this even have a little, oh, it even has a little steam coming out. Isn't the reindeer so adorable? So cute. I love the eyelashes. So cute. Where's the little rain? Oh, these are the little antlers. This is adorable. This is my favorite. I just love that so much. Cute. So these are the mugs. You got snowman, Santa, penguin, and reindeer. Excuse me, those are the mugs, dies. And then she has this die set, which is awesome. It's a mailbox A, mailbox B, and it comes in, it comes together, but you just got your two parts of it. Like, you don't just buy A or you don't just buy B. It comes together. And this is what it looks like when it's all put together. Everything that you need is here, even the little letter. So there's the little letter. You have your base that you put together. You even have like your offsets. Your offsets are stitched. And then this opens the little mailbox. This little part, that's stitched. You can see all these little offsets. This is an offset there. Even the letters to Santa is on here. And then that opens on the back. And you have like the little closure piece right there, the handle, and it all puts together. It's a cute little box. So I'll show you again. It's just part A, part B, one purchase for these. And then you get the two things. They're big dies. So cute. Okay. So that is mailbox A, mailbox B. And let's not forget our snowman mug, which I love that these little whips are interchangeable. You have the Santa mug, the penguin mug, and my favorite, the reindeer mug. And then we have stamp sets, which are winter penguin and Christmas gnomes. So goodness grief, this girl, I'm ready for Christmas in July for real. I have zero excuse. So thank you, Sandra, for considering me to be a guest on your opening, your grand opening. It opens July 15th. You guys, that's today. Fingers crossed, this will be up by then. And then I'll be doing some projects. So check my YouTube and Instagram for inspiration on using these products. All right. Everything will be linked down below. Don't forget that you have a coupon code for 15th, 16th, and 17th of July only. That code will be listed down below. Like this video if you like it, and I will talk to you guys later. Bye.